Hi everyone, we are doing some wrapping at the moment. 5th of September today, beautiful day. It's like summer weather we never had. This will be our last wrapping for this year. We got 54 bales to wrap, done a few, 14, 18, done about 23 or 4 bales so far. Yeah, so this is the last of our lucerne and some other stuff. We have got a bit more grass to bale, but the weather's been so nice we are going to make a little bit more hay, but it will all be in round bales. Yeah, it will be in round bales because we want to, well, I don't put in wrapping it really, and we need to feed it straight away anyway, so GoPro didn't record any sound again, so that's a bit annoying. Don't really like having to voice over stuff, just doesn't sound as good, I don't think. But yeah, so anyway, on the last trailer load here, and that's it, all done for this year. As I said, we got that bit of hay to bale, but we had a target of 1 in 1,000 bales at the start of the season, so we've gone well past that, although we have eaten quite a lot of bales, but we have got 1,000 bales now actually in store still for winter, so we are delighted with that, and it's a successful conclusion to our silage or haylage season. So yeah, that's good. Right, I'll finish that there, and then there's just a little bit more of a clip to come on the end. So right, that's all done. We finished, and that's the end of that for this year. So we'll just pull the sheet over in a minute, pack up and get everything in, and we're done. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back with another video soon.